Right out of the gate, fear is gripping the market at 29 out of 100. The Dow Jones opened with a sharp gap down, losing 611 points, or 1.16%. This is a bloodbath for large caps, and it's setting the tone for the entire session. The S&P 500 opened lower by 28 points, down 0.38%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq fell 0.5% with a 125-point decline. Even the Russell 2000 couldn't catch a bid, sliding 0.12%. The broad market weakness suggests this is not a selective sell-off but a genuine risk-off rotation. Energy stocks became the single biggest mover in the first 30 minutes, and they're actually leading the open to the upside. ExxonMobil surged 2.71%, while Chevron climbed 2.28%. Salesforce joined the winner's circle with a 2.36% pop. These gains aren't enough to stop the bleeding elsewhere, though. Goldman Sachs is getting absolutely hammered, down 3.92% or $40 per share. That's your biggest loser right out of the gate. Advanced Micro Devices is in the red too, falling 2.92% on chip sector weakness. JP Chase dropped 2.19%, despite analyst consensus showing 17 buy ratings versus 0 sells. Bank of America also rolled over, losing 1.92%. This is remarkable because analysts remain deeply bullish on these names, but sellers aren't listening today. The tech heavyweight sell-off tells us everything about today's direction. Apple managed a small 0.8% gain, but Nvidia crashed 1.87%. Meta lost 0.56%, and Tesla fell 0.56%. Microsoft barely moved, down 0.7%. These are the stocks that led the overnight futures, so something shifted at the open bell. Analysts remain constructively positioned on the financials, though. Bank of America has 23 buy ratings with 0 sell recommendations. JP Morgan shows 17 buys against 13 holds. The disconnect between analyst sentiment and market action is striking. Investors are clearly pricing in something negative that Wall Street hasn't fully digested yet. Watch Apple's upcoming earnings announcement on Thursday. The company will report third-quarter results following recent price hikes on Macs and iPads. If consumer push